Hello everyone! Today we will visit China Door and Window Museum. It is the only specialized museum in the theme of windows and doors in the world. Located in China International Window City, let me show you around. This is a photo wall of domestic and international famous visitors. For example, former German ambassador to China, Michael Klaus, Dean of Passive House Institute, Professor Wolfgang Feist. This is Lu Ban. He is the inventor of Chinese ancient wood tools. The Chinese door and window culture has a history of thousands of years. Displayed here is a porcelain window, which is mostly used in the garden of southern China. It's very useful and has practical uses for fire resistance and safety prevention. This window is joined by the traditional Chinese molten stand method. There is no hardware in this window. Next, I will show you about other windows and doors. Then we will enter the exhibition hall of Chinese style doors and windows. In front of us is a set of antique windows, the Chinese style series. This series combines the style of Asian door and windows with the performance of contemporary doors and windows. Modern craft restores ancient architecture. The set of doors and windows has restored the architectural style of old Beijing to the maximum extent. We have also side of electronic windows to facilitate daily ventilation. Please follow with me. Please follow with me. This one belongs to Jiangnan Chinese style series, aluminum alloy material. The characteristic is to pay attention to symmetry. You can realize simultaneous opens of the double window sash. Directly in front of us is a group of Chinese style solid wood windows. It is made of oak and has hidden hardware. Palm blossoms, orchids, bamboo, and chrysanthemum are engraved on the window frame, which added to the cultural heritage of the whole window. This product is very unique. It achieves the integration of door and window. You can see that the upper part can be opened when the handle is open flat, and when the handle is open upwards, the whole double pattern can open. It's very easy to operate and has a powerful function. It's an innovation of window and door. Let's look at other products. Displayed here is switchboard glass, which is adjusted by the electronic switch on the wall. It frosts when turns off, and it becomes transparent when turns on. It is especially suitable for private space, such as in a bathroom. It shows the motion track of the internal hardware as the windows are open and closed. Please follow with me this way. Here shows comparison of doors and window materials with different quality hardware, glass, glue type, wood, and aluminum products. This window uses an integrated screen window design, which does not affect the performance of the door and window. At the same time, anti-safety hardware and diamond mesh design are used to improve the anti-safety performance of the door and window. Full cell design is to ensure the airtightness of the door and window. Please follow with me. Here is a set of intelligent sensor windows. The wind inductive window could be closed automatically in sandstorms. Is a rain inductive window which has a rainwater sensor installed outside the room, and the window automatically closes in rainy days. The smoke inductive window is more suitable for kitchens. In the event of fire or gas leakage, the window will automatically open and let out smoke to ensure our personal safety. In order to cope with this problem of smoke, our research team has developed the Moser anti-smoke purifying window. This window ensures good sealing while performing dual functions of indoor and outdoor air circulation. Its heat recovery function and heat recovery rate can be as high as 75%. The purifying rate of this type of anti-smoke purifying window is more than 98%. Displayed here is a single-side bulletproof window. The outer side is smudge-proof and bulletproof, and the window can be smudged from the inside to escape. Displayed here is a variety of types of balcony windows that can be used in office buildings and so on. What you see now is a smart all-in-one window. The glass is a display that has all the functions of a tablet computer. The smart home system will also be controlled by this. You can watch the news and listen to the music. In addition, you can control all the functions of the window, such as opening and closing of the window, wind speed adjustment, auxiliary heating function, and so on. This window is made of very expensive rosewood and has a beautiful design. It's mid-hung window which can be rotated by 180 degrees. It can achieve the maximum ventilation area in a short period of time. More importantly, the force point is in the middle and the sash will not fall. Another advantage is that it's easy to clean. The word energy saving depends on everyone. Let's turn it together and contribute to the energy conservation. Let me show you other sunshade products. Now we are going to enter the smart sunshade display area. The first is a composition of external sunshade insulation experiment. The bathroom heater outside the window simulates the sun. Now the indoor temperature is 24.6 degrees. When I lift the external sunshade, we can see that the temperature has risen to 25.8 degrees. It shows that the outdoor sunshade has a superheat insulation effect. Let me show you other sunshade products. This is a metal shutter which can meet a variety of lighting requirements according to the different open state. It has the functions of anti-theft, privacy protection, and dimming. Let me show you other sunshade products. Displayed here are many other types of shutter. Now we are enter the first wooden structured gemstone dome winter garden in China. The biggest feature is that no nail has been used to connect the wood. Use the infrared thermal light source imported from Italy and electronic window opening system to realize the lighting and ventilation of the winter garden. The dome is also equipped with an electronic shading system to achieve the function of sunshade and lighting. On our right hand is a wooden cable system window, which can also be called a wooden curtain wall. The external surface creates an effect of glass curtain wall, and the interior surface is a structure with a wooden curtain wall, which is widely used in famous buildings such as Moroccan Airport and the Mercedes-Benz Museum. The front is a sample window display of the reconstruction of Ziguangge in Zhongnanhai. It used modern high-end door and window crafts to restore the ancient architecture. We use high-quality wood, and there will be no cracking or deformation for decades, and the use of wood fluorocarbon paint will not fade or peel. Welcome to our Window and Door Museum.